Varun,
Yeah.
Navya said Varun will join in some time.
Yeah.
So yesterday we have discussed about the logic shapes, branch and route. Okay, apart from the platform overview. So are you comfortable with the two shapes, Sakshi?
Yeah, branch route. Yes.
Okay. So we will see. You want me to recap on this or is it fine?
No, is it fine? Please go to next shift.
So we'll do the cleanse shape today
Yeah.
and the other shapes. So we'll create a, okay. Now can you guide me how to create a new process?
Yeah, the three dots and create new component. Process create, yes.
Start will be
Two
no
data.
data.
Yeah.
This is a cleanse shape. So I think we have some prerequisites for the cleanse shape. I think we may need to build data as well as a map shape. So we will do all together. Okay.
Okay.
But this is one of the most important shapes that will help us in filtering out all the bad data.
Mm-hmm.
So, so we'll start with the cleanse shape now. So I put out this on the canvas. Shall we do with the same profile that we did yesterday? The CSV profile?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
The root data CSV profile. So we have four
Mm.
P1, P2, P3, P4. So we'll just do small modifications to this. Okay.
Mm.
So whenever you put a cleanse shape onto the canvas, you have to give a profile for that, because based on the profile only we filter out the data or repair the data. Okay. So we will do both repair and rejecting the data, because these are the two possibilities that can be done with the cleanse shape. Now,
This is used to validate the data, right?
this is basically used to validate, as well as we can repair the data also. If you see something like if something is not supposed to be there and it is there, you can as well make changes to the data also. For example, yesterday, if you remember, I think P4 we put
Mm.
it as character, but if you put an integer and something comes up like a character, you can as well change that.
Okay. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So for all communications with the map shape and all, we will use a flat file comma separated one. Okay. We
Mm.
will try to reuse the profiles. That will help us in saving the time. Okay. We can put more time on more logical things that way. Okay.
Mm.
So I am using the same profile. Since we have all characters here, to recreate the scenario of the failures, we will try to put one integer here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I put a one message shape. I think we can use the route data also. No? We already have this data.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a bad data because it is not an integer.
Mm.
So I will name this as bad data and repair
Mm.
data. Okay. And rejected data. So we have two, right? We have one will be repair data and other will be reject data.
Mm.
So first we'll do the reject data.
Hmm. In the repair data message shape, there is no data, right? Data is not there.
No, no, I just copy pasted that. So we have that
Oh,
data.
yeah, right.
So see, the data will be same. Okay, more or
Hmm.
less the data will be same. It's only that the data, whether it will get changed or it will get updated is a question. Okay?
Hmm. Okay.
This we have turned it into an integer, right? Ah,
Hmm.
with
Yeah.
no decimals. Okay. So now what do we do if we want to see the data that has flown here? What is the thing that we put here at the end?
Stop shape.
Stop. Yes. So we'll put a stop shape here. You already work on Boomi daily.
Means not that much, but basic thing I know because I haven't created any integration from the scratch.
Okay.
Hmm.
Let's see how this works. It has been quite some time for me also that I worked on a clean shape. See. Yes.
It's going to the reject part.
So data got rejected.
Hmm.
Why did it get rejected? Because it was
Integer.
supposed to be an integer. It was not an integer. Suppose
Hmm.
I put instead of this number 8.
Hmm. Yeah, I will go to first.
So equal to clean.
Hmm. Okay.
So this is the single most important thing when you're working with flat profiles. If you don't want to work on bad data, okay,
Hmm.
make sure that you always use a cleanse shape, even if it takes a lot of time to work on. Okay, the effort that you put in designing when you put a cleanse shape is definitely higher, but at a later point you will enjoy because all the you will not face most of the issues will be automatically taken care by the cleanse shape. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now what did